Ceramic pans are great because nothing sticks, but the problem is you could struggle to brown and sear your food. Stainless pans sear and seal in incredible flavour, but your food could stick and then you're left with a clean-up disaster. Well, now there's a deliciously searing, effortlessly non-stick, scratch-resistant solution. It will take you every step of the way to make perfect meals for you and your family. Introducing the Titan Pan from High Street TV. The Titans at Titan Pan teamed up with Chef Jet Tila to create a new kind of pan. This is the perfect union of non-stick and stainless steel. The stainless sears it, the non-stick slides it, the stainless browns it, the non-stick flips it. It's so tough it can handle virtually any metal utensil. Could you do this to your pan? We took the stickiest pan offenders and baked them onto Titan's surface. Honey, cheese, sugar, hard sweets, chocolate, marshmallows, even caramel sauce. This would ruin some other pans, but the new, specially engineered non-stick surface repels even the stickiest messes. And here's what makes the Titan Pan so incredible. The stainless steel cooking surface is laser etched to create a diamond matrix which is filled with our super non-stick diamond infused coating. The Titan coating is everything you'd expect from a quality pan. Super non-stick, metal utensil safe, and super easy to clean. But the signature Titan technology you'll taste in every bite is the lifted diamond shaped stainless steel matrix on the cooking surface. It sears, browns and caramelizes for mouth-watering flavor and incredible texture. You'll get the perfect sear from unmatched heat distribution. Cook on any stovetop, including induction, and cook in your oven. Braise fall-off-the-bone ribs or slow-cook pulled pork. It's so big, you can roast whole dinners right in one pan. Shallow fry, crunchy, crispy southern fried chicken. Make up to 12 portions of delicious pulled pork, mac and cheese, and chili. Or try Chef Jet's fantastic drunken noodles. Big, hearty homemade pies, and sticky pull-apart buns. The straight wall design means a bigger cooking surface and the extra deep 3-inch sides make it perfect for one-pot meals. Titan Pan is your next frying pan, wok, stock pot, shallow fryer, roasting pan, steamer, Dutch oven, casserole dish, pizza pan, baking dish, and crisper. It can take the heat. Order yours today.